Oh, she'll need that in case she needs to call someone to pick her up from the party, right?
No, Julia, that's your phone.
Johnny, right?
Yeah. Put it there. My phone. All right, Julia. Turn around. I'm gonna go right in here. There you go. All right. Julia, can you hold these bracelets? No. Hold them. All right, Julia. Bye. Julia, here's the party. Julia, this is the party. The party's right here.
Can I come to the party?
Nope way.
Why not? Why not?
Because you're poop.
Oh, that doesn't sound nice. Jewel, can I come to your party? Yeah?
Uh-oh, Julia. Something broke to your phone. Let me have this. Something broke to your phone.
Jewel, can I come to your party? Your jewelry party?
That thing. Look.
Julia, can I come to your jewelry party?
No way, Jose.
Oh, wow. That makes Mommy sad.